All right, so starting off with our first enhancement, we have near match duplicate detection. So this one's really all about data quality. And for a while, NetSuite's had duplicate detection. So for thinking about your customers and vendor records, the problem with it is it required that those entities have the same name, same email in order to work and flag. But now with some AI capabilities, it recognizes near matches. So if there's small spelling differences, small variations in the records, it's still going to catch those. Next, we have multiple sessions per user. And this one is a huge quality of life update for our power users. So NetSuite now lets you stay logged in with up to 3 active sessions at once. Next, we have bin put away CSV. So for the warehouse users out there, anybody with a warehouse and uses bins, this is big. This is not exclusive to NetSuite WMS. So what you can do now is bulk assign items to bins using the CSV import assistant. Next, we have the service tier dashboard. So again, this is another win for the administrators out there. This effectively also can save your money or your company some money. So NetSuite now gives you a service tier dashboard, and this allows you to see all of your transaction lines, user licenses, and file storage against your NetSuite account limits. Moving on, we have Customer 360. So if you're viewing a customer record, you have that button at the top of the page that allows you to view the 360 dashboard. So some new features there. So NetSuite has added a new log of all of your customer interactions. So any transaction, email, task, note, activity, any touch point you're having with your customers now appear chronologically on that dashboard. So starting with Smart Count, if you're using Smart Count in NetSuite, you now have the ability to block bins so nobody puts product away during the middle of a cycle count. For those using WMS, there's some new pick task filters that you can use. So you can filter pick tasks by item group, filter by bin zone. So that would only give a user in zone A to go pick from. And you can also filter by item commitment status for picking. So this is ultimately just going to make it a lot easier to assign picking logically and reduce wasted steps, both physically on the ground in your warehouse and just systematically as well. For those using supply planning MRP, there are some new action type filters that have been added as well. So now you can see orders that should be canceled, see orders that could move up sooner or push later with filters, so you can see all of those at one time. So that's going to be nice as well. So the old netsuite.com data source for Suite Analytics Connect is being retired in 2026.1. So NetSuite's been talking about this for a little while now, but this is kind of a last reminder